Welcome to this free immigration help channel. Today I'm making a video that honestly I wasn't planning to make. Today I'm going to show you how to check the results of the DV lottery, also known as green card lottery, probably more popular name for that lottery. Now the reason why I didn't want to kind of make this video before or never considered is because my channel is about really the immigration process, and while DV lottery is somewhat an immigration process, it still really is a lottery, and you are taking chances. You don't really know if you're gonna win or not. I mean, it's a lottery, all right? But the reason why I decided to make this video, after all, is because I consistently keep getting the comments about it, and also one of the main reasons is because there is, whenever it comes to scam in the field of immigration, DV lottery is the most scammed probably thing that is related to immigration that is out there, and that is really unfortunate because the process of applying, the process of not applying but entering this lottery is free. It's very simple and it's very straightforward, and unfortunately a lot of people fall for the scam, because there's a lot of people that take money to enter you, that give you certain promises, and unfortunately none of that stuff is true, because there is absolutely no one out there that can guarantee you a win or even increase your chances of winning, except you yourself filling out the application for the lottery, the entry, correctly. And once it is available, which is going to be pretty soon, it starts October 6th. That's when the entry starts. I will make a video on how to enter, how to participate in the DV lottery. So for now, I kind of wanted to make this just to check the status, how to properly do it, and kind of familiarize you with the program itself. Okay, so as you guys can see in front of me, I have the website, the official website open, and this website is from US Department of State, who powers the DV lottery, their Bureau of Consular Affairs. As you can see, it is here in front of me. I'm going to put the link in the description below. It is .gov, link.gov, dvprogram.state.gov, and I mention it in all my videos. If you're trying to get official information, make sure to find it on the official government websites. Don't look at the third-party immigration forums, whatever. There's a lot of information out there, and there are a lot of people, unfortunately, that try to profit off of those that do not know the process, do not know where to find information. This channel is free. I don't ask for you anything in return. I'm not an attorney. I don't benefit from you whether you enter the DV lottery or you don't, whether you apply for a certain immigration status or you don't, whether you ask me a question or you don't. It's completely, there's no benefit for me behind doing this channel. Yes, you can support this channel by giving me a super like, by showing your appreciation for the information that I provide in my videos, but other than that, that's it. This really as far as it goes. Okay, so again, I have the official DV lottery website that is open in front of me. Electronic Diversity Visa Program, that's the full name of the green card lottery. The reason why it's called green card lottery is because it is basically a chance to win permanent residency in the United States of America. And if you guys are a little bit familiar with the immigration system, green card is another name for permanent residence card. And the reason why it's called green card, because back in the day it used to be green. Now it's kind of more gray, mixed colors, and it's not necessarily green like it was before, but that's where the name comes from. Okay, so back to the DV lottery. As you guys can see, there are two options currently that you can check. You can check your entrant status for 2023 and also for 2022. So in order to check that, as you can see, there is a blue button right here in the very center. You click that and it will take you to the page where it will give you a little bit of kind of instructions, please be sure to have entrance confirmation number, last name, first name, year of birth, and a few other things I'm going to show you right now. So the very first thing, it will be very helpful if you had the confirmation number. Now the confirmation number is given once you complete the submission. Unfortunately, with most of the times, I see people not having that confirmation number because they used some kind of agency that entered for them, and they have the number, and unfortunately the applicant himself or herself does not have that number. It's quite unfortunate because you're supposed to be responsible for your own stuff, but again, this is just the world that we live in. Some people try to profit off of somebody else who doesn't know. People with information profit off the people that don't have the information. It's unfortunate. But in case you did fill it out yourself, or maybe somebody else filled it out, you don't have the number, there is a way to retrieve that number by clicking the Forgot Confirmation Number link right here. And here you'll have to select the year. Obviously, there's an other if you're looking for previous years. But most likely, chances are you're going to be either looking for 2022 or 2023. So you select the year that you applied for, and then you will provide last name, first name, middle name. Obviously, there's options to select no first name, no middle name, date of birth, the email address, and the authentication number. And once you do that, you will be able to get that confirmation number. If you are not able to get the confirmation number, comment in the comments below. Let everyone know. It's going to be helpful. If you were successful retrieving the confirmation number, again, drop the comments below, because other people who are watching this video, that will be able to scroll down into the comment section and find some additional answers that were not mentioned to this video. This is how community works. You know, your experience helps everyone, and if there's one place where all of these experiences are combined, it just becomes really, really helpful. Okay, so really all you need is a confirmation number. You enter your confirmation number, you have your last name, and then the year of birth, and then the authentication number. Now I'm gonna pull up on my second screen here, I'm gonna pull up some example numbers that I have, and I'm gonna enter them so that you can see exactly how it looks. And I have an example number right here. Who is this? Oh, yep, that's a friend of mine. There you go. Let's see. So we're entering the number here. Wait, that's not the number. That's not the confirmation number. This is the digital signature. There you go. This is the confirmation number. And as you can see, the first 4 digits of the confirmation number will always be the year of that DV lottery. So just by looking at the confirmation number, you can tell which year you played for. So obviously, if you've been playing for the past, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years, I know some people that did that, and you get confused, you have a bunch of these confirmation numbers. That's how you will be able to tell which year it is for. All right, so gotta get the last name, and gonna blur it out for privacy, because this is a real person, this is a real entry, and then we're gonna be entering this PRBB, and there you go. Here's the result. As you can see, just like that, it shows up right in front of you. Based on the information provided, the entry has not been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program at this time, which means that you did not win. The person that entered did not win. It's very, very simple. Now, in my next video that I'm gonna make in the beginning of October for actually entering the DV lottery, I'm gonna give some information on proper ways of entry, and also some myths that are out there that most of the times are promised by these companies that ask you to pay them to increase your chances of winning a ring. I mean, some people go as far as saying that they guarantee you will win the DV lottery, and unless there is some kind of scam that is involved, and there were some ways that a lot of agencies were caught scamming the DV lottery system by entering multiple times. In fact, more than a lot, really a lot of times, more than a few dozen times for one applicant, just to increase their chances of winning. There were some agencies that were caught doing that. Unless it involves a scam like that, there is absolutely no way to increase your chances of winning, except you just filling out the entry as accurately as possible, and obviously, you know, providing the photographs that meets all the requirements. But I will talk about all of that in my next video, where I'm actually talking about entering the DV lottery. But again, make sure all the information that you're getting, even the information that I'm giving you right now, make sure you verify it on the official sources. Like I said, this is the US Department of State official government website. You know, I'm not giving you anything outside of what is provided here from the government sources, but sometimes this information, it gets updated, so make sure you verify it just in case, to make sure that, you know, because you might be watching this video, you know, 6 months after it was uploaded. So just in case, to be on the safe side, make sure to verify. So hopefully this video was helpful on checking your green card lottery status. Like I said in the beginning of October, once the next season for entering for the lottery starts, I will make a video on how to enter, again, just to prevent, hopefully, some people from falling for that scam out there. Because, like I said, DV lottery, green card lottery, it is just, there's so much scam out there, it's crazy. So hopefully this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.